So we have to design a DFA which accepts the string should contain zeros as ones as the input symbol, starting with either 0 1 or 1 0. Okay, so the starting symbol can be either 0 1 or means plus 1 0, either this or that. Starting symbol should be either 0 1 or 1 0, and it followed by any number of zeros or ones, the combination of zeros or ones. This is a regular expression, but we have to design the deterministic finite automata. So the starting symbol should be either 0 1 or 1 0. We will try to design for 0 1, 0 1. Okay, or it can be 1 0 also. So we will write 1, we'll take it as Q2, 1 0. Let this state be Q3. So it should be either 0 1 or 1 0. So that finite automata we have designed, followed by any number of zeros or ones. So that can be looped here, 0 or 1. So this becomes the final state. So it can be either 0 1 or 1 0. So string containing zeros ones combination starting with either 0 1 or 1 0, followed by any number of zeros or ones. So this is done. So if I take starting with 0 1, 0 1 string should be accepted. So it is accepted. If I start with 1 0, 1 0 is accepted. 0 1 followed by any number of zeros, 0 1 followed by any number of zeros are accepted. 1 0 followed by any number of zeros are accepted. So 0 1 followed by 0 1, any number of zeros or ones are accepted. So this diagram, the automata or the transition diagram what we have written is correct, but we should design a deterministic finite automata. Deterministic finite automata means all the states should have a transition with zeros and ones. Q0 is having transition with 0 1, Q1 is having transition with 1. It is not having transition with 0. So what we should do, we should take one dead state called QD with 0 as the input symbol. Similarly, Q1 having 1 and 0, Q2 is having transition only with 0. So with 1 we will take that to dead state. So Q2 is having transition with 0 and 1. Q3 is having transition with 0 and 1. Now all the states are having transition with 0 and 1. Why we have taken a transition to dead state? Because 0 is not needed. After 0 we should need 1 only. That's why it is taken to dead state. Here also 1 is not needed. That's why we have taken to dead state.